Team Labs, Planets, Toyosu, from Koto, BC. Opens at this opens at 9. People are already lining up, and it's only 8:30. What else? Shintoyosu.
First team lab of the day.
The first one was the Botanical Garden.
So
That was okay.
No, I mean this is the first team lab of the day because we have another team lab later.
Oh yeah, 2 team labs, so it's a team lab day.
So this one is Planets.
Team lab Planets.
Later we're going to Borderless.
Later it's Borderless. Okay. So super team labs. Right, here we go. Admission 9, 9, and 9:30. So there's a schedule. It comes with a locker. You have to remove your shoes. And here's the key before you start. Ayun na yung mga virtual koi. We're now at the virtual koi pond. Baby.
Squid Game.
Smells like pig. This is the same. Yung sa botanical.
This one is like more mossy.
Moss, more on the moss. We are now at the garden. This time it's about the moss situation or the moss culture. Maybe. Pag nag-vape ako dito, hindi madala.
Yeah, pero wala akong vape.
Ako meron.
Squid Game.
Kawaii.
Kawaii.
When you go near the flowers, they rises up, then you can slide in. Please make sure not to touch the flowers because they're blue. Thank you.
Maybe. Hanging flowers.
Yeah. So
Basically orchids.
and then you can go inside.
We are now here at the floating flowers or orchids. It moves up and down. And theme here is mirrors. A lot of mirrors, so there's also mirrors. So that's Team Labs Part 1. There's another one for today. It's another interactive experience. Get here as early as you can because the lines get really long.
But like 10 minutes before your schedule.
Yeah, get here 10 minutes before your schedule, line up. That's it.
Crowd control is really great, so you shouldn't worry. If the lines gets really long because they control the crowd inside the art.
The artwork or
yeah,
the
art.
area,
Yeah.
yeah. Mall stop at Toyosu. Shopping, shopping, shopping.
Squid Game.